Hello friends, this is Dr. Mitesh Gala, presently teaching in Campaign School. Welcome to the online teaching resource.
Hi, finally we are getting into a full portion paper, 80 marks with the entire year's work. So I hope you do this really well. The paper is right over there. Also in the description box, the entire paper is there. Download it, 2.5 hours. Sit, write the paper systematically and then come back to check all your answers. Okay, so I'm expecting all of you all to make the most of this paper. Since it's a 80 mark paper and with options it's going to be a 110 marks paper, so I'm breaking it into two parts. So this is going to be part 1, question 1 to question 6, and the second video will be part 2 from question number 7 onwards. Otherwise it's going to be very lengthy. So let's quickly begin with 1a. You have a plus b as 10, a square plus b square as 58, and you need to find this. So first what you actually need to find is ab. So we take a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a plus b the whole square is basically 10 the whole square, a square plus b square is 58 plus 2ab. So I will get 100 minus 58 is equal to 2ab. So that should be 42 by 2 as AB. So finally I can say AB is 21. And now in order to get this, we take A plus B the whole cube. So that will be 10 cube. Applying the formula here, A cube plus B cube, 3AB, A plus B is equal to 1000. So A cube plus B cube is my target. 3 times AB, which we've got 21, and A plus B is 10, is equal to 1000. So I will get A cube plus B cube as 1000 minus 630. So my final answer, A cube plus B cube, should be 370. That's very simple. Good start. If you got this correct, brilliant. First 1 mark when you find AB, next 1 mark when you put the entire formula correctly, and last 1 mark when you get 370. We are going to go slightly fast because a lot of things to cover. So moving on to the next one, 1b. They just said solve, so you can use any method. So I am multiplying this by 7. So I will write the first equation, and then 7 2s are 14x plus 7y equals to 21. Cancel, so I get 11x is equal to 11. So x becomes negative 1. Substituting x back in equation number 2. So minus 2 minus 1 plus y 3. So y becomes plus 2, coming on the other side negative 2. So y is 1. So I can say therefore x is negative 1 and y is 1. Simple, not difficult at all, just a starter. So first 1 mark when you multiply by whatever number you want and then getting the values of x and y, you will get 1 mark each. Please mark yourself well so you exactly know where you are standing. Moving to the next question, 1c. So 1c, solution of right triangle. They say CD is 4. Your target is to find AB and BC. So we will call BC as x centimeter. So let BC be x centimeter, and therefore BD will be x plus 4 centimeters. Now we will take the two triangles in terms of AB so that we can compare AB. So in triangle ABC, this first triangle, I am saying tan 60 is opposite AB upon BC. So tan 60 is root 3, AB is unknown and BC is x. So therefore AB is root 3x. That's the first part we get. Again, let's take big triangle ABD, and we shall say tan 30 AB upon BD. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3, AB is unknown but BD is x plus 4. So I can say AB is x plus 4 by root 3. Since we got both of them as AB, let's compare together. So root 3x is equal to x plus 4 by root 3. Call this as 1, call this as 2, and say here from 1 and 2. Cross multiplying, so 3x, x plus 4. So 2x is equal to 4, x becomes 2. Your target is not x, your target is AB and BC both. So we just managed to get BC right now, 2 centimeters, and AB is root 3 into x. So therefore AB will be 2 root 3 centimeters. You need not convert this, you can leave this in root 3 and it will be marked correct. Unless they tell you to give your answer in decimal places, then you can convert by taking root 3 as 1.732. So it's a 4-mark question. First 1 mark when you reach here. Next 1 mark when you compare both of them together. Then 2 centimeters and 2 root 3. So 4-mark question. That's how you can give 4 marks to yourself. I hope you got a 10 on 10 in question number 1. Moving to 2a. They say that BE equals to EA4 and this is 3. You got to find the radius of the circle. So let radius be OB as R. So OC also will be R. Therefore OE will become R minus 3 centimeters. Take this triangle, first say that this is 90. Why? Because it's bisected, and apply Pythagoras theorem. So we'll say let OB equals OC equals to R centimeters, and therefore OE becomes R minus 3 centimeters. Then we say BE equals AE given, and therefore angle OEB is 90 degree. Reason will be line joining the center of the circle. Line joining the center of the circle, midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Write the entire statement, otherwise they will cut your marks in the exam. Now let's get into the triangle OEB, and we shall say angle E as 90 degrees. So therefore OE square plus BE square is equal to OB square by Pythagoras theorem. So OE R minus 3, OB is 4, BE is 4 and OB is R. So expanding it, 9 minus 6R plus 16R square gets cancelled, 6R goes on the other side. So 25 is equal to 6R. So R is 25 by 6 and therefore we can say R is 1 by 6 centimeters. You can leave it in mixed fraction, no problem at all, and you will be getting your marks. So first 1 mark you can give when you prove that this is 90 degree. Then when you are applying the Pythagoras theorem with the values, and final 1 mark to reach here. You can also write this in decimals, no problem. Whichever way it will be marked correct. Moving to the next one, 2b. They say compound interest payable half yearly exceeds simple interest by 15, rate 10% 1 year. So we know compound interest is 1 plus R by 200 raised to 2n minus 1. Why? Because half yearly. PNR by 100 should be equal to 15. Pulling this and this P common. So we shall get rate as 10 by 200 raised to 2 into 1 year. Okay. Minus 1 in brackets at the moment. Minus this n, this p is already out, okay, so n is going to be 1 year, rate 10% by 100, and putting brackets to show that this p has been pulled out common. So this goes away, 20 plus 1, 21 square, so 441 by 400 minus 1 minus 10 by 100. Don't cancel this, it will help you later, is equal to 15. So LCM here will give us 41 by 400 minus 10 by 100 is equal to 15. Again LCM here as 400, so 41 minus 40 is equal to 15. So our principal will be 15. This is 1 into 400. So finally I can say 15 fours are 60 and 2 more zeros, 6000 should be the principal. Very important question. You will see such sums in the exam for sure, so please practice them well. How are you going to give marks to yourself? First 1 mark when you substitute the values, not for the formula, remember that. Next 1 mark when you are able to take this part correctly, and last 1 mark when you reach at 6000. Let's move to the next one, 2C. You've been given cosec this time and find the value of this. So you can't do this directly, rather you'll have to take help of the triangle with A somewhere. So we will say cosec A. Cosec is basically hypotenuse upon opposite, which is root 2 by 1. And here in this case hypotenuse is AC and opposite to A is BC. So therefore I can say let AC be root 2x and BC be 1x. Don't directly say root 2, that's incorrect. You have to use the variable x. So this is root 2x and this is 1x. Let's apply Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC angle be 90 degree. So root 2x the whole square is equal to 1x square plus AB square. So I shall get 2x square minus x square is equal to AB square, and therefore AB basically is just 1x. So both of these are 1x. Now what do I need? I need sine, cot, tan, cos, all of them. So sine A, opposite upon hypotenuse, that is x by root 2x, so 1 by root 2. The next one I need is cot A. So opposite upon adjacent, so x by x, which should be 1. Likewise tan A, sorry, this was adjacent upon opposite. Same way tan opposite upon adjacent, so 1. And finally cos A, adjacent upon hypotenuse, so 1 by root 2. So we got all the 4 values. Let's take them and substitute it in this particular expression. So sine square A, 1 by root 2 the whole square, plus 3 times cot square A, which is 1 the whole square, in brackets, divided by the other part. So tan is again 1 and cos A is 1 by root 2 the whole square. So I will get 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 in one bracket, 1 minus 1 by 2 in the other bracket. This gets cancelled, so I get 4 divided by 2 plus 2 minus 1, so 1 by 2. So this 2 will go on top on multiplying, so my final answer should be 8. Again, a very important question from exam point of view, so please do it well. First 1 mark when you get all the 3 parts. The next 1 mark you can give when you get any 2 correct over here. Okay, then the next 1 mark when you substitute everything, and last 1 mark when you get your final answer. So that's how you can give 10 marks. I hope all of you all are on track and you all already got 20 on 20. 3a, median is 13 and these are some number of terms, so you'll have to find number of observations. So 3, 6, 9 and 1, 10. So therefore median is basically n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So n by 2 is 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. So median is 13. 5th term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is x. 6th term is x plus 4 by 2. So I will get 26 is equal to 2x plus 4. Correct? 2x plus 4. So 4 going on to the other side. So 22 is equal to 2x, and therefore we can say x is equal to 11. That should be your question number 3a. I hope you got this correct. I'm just trying to check the answer if I am correct. It's correct. Marking scheme. First 1 mark for getting 5th and 6th. Next 1 mark for substituting, and last 1 mark for getting 11. It was a simple question. Again here 3b, you can take x square minus 3x as a. So therefore you will get a square minus 8a minus 20. Correct? Is that the question? Let me check if it is equal to 0 or not equal to 0, what is given. So we know exactly what we are doing. So this is question 3a. Yeah, nothing, just factorize. So splitting the middle term, 10a plus 2a, because 10 2s are a common, minus 10 plus 2 a minus 10. So I will get a minus 10 a plus 2. Resubstituting, a will become x square minus 3x minus 10. Same way x square minus 3x plus 2. Now taking both the expressions and splitting them further. So 5 2s are 5x minus 2x. Likewise here I will get 2 1s are. Both splitting is possible. So I get x common, x minus 5, minus 2 common, x minus 5 in one big bracket. Likewise x common, x minus 2, minus 1 common, x minus 2 in another big bracket. So my final answer, x minus 5, x minus 2. I'm getting again x minus 2, is it? Here if I take, yeah, maybe, I don't know, I think there is some mistake over here from my side. Let me just check. Plus 2 this should have been. Yeah, the mistake is here. This should have been plus 2 because 5 plus 2 this. So here I will get plus and this will be plus. And then x minus 2, x minus 1. This should be my final answer. Again a good question. First when you substitute and reach here, then the next one when you reach here, and the last one when you reach here. That's how you can give 3 marks to yourself. I hope you have solved the paper and then you are checking it. You are not solving along with me, okay? There are some stamps 25 paise and 50 paise. So let 25 paise stamps be x and number of 50 paise stamps be y. So 25 paise, the cost will be 25 paise. So 0.25 into x, 0.50 into y, and total is 10 rupees. So 25x, 50y, 1000. I am multiplying everything by 100. Total number of stamps 28. That means x plus y. Together the total of these two is 28. Yeah. So multiplying this by 50. So I will get 50x, 50y, 5 8s are 40, 1400. And taking the earlier expression again down, and now let's solve it. So minus cancels, so I get 25x equals to 400, so x should be 16. They have asked me the number of 25 paise stamps, so 25 is x. I don't need to find y at all, so let's not waste our time and directly say therefore number of 25 paise stamps is equal to 16 stamps. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. Got it? So you don't need to find y either. So first 1 mark when you get this equation correct. Next 1 mark for getting this equation correct, x plus y, and then getting 16. So 3 marks, and 1 mark when you taking where should you give 1 mark? Okay, when you 1 2, because you are not finding y at all. So maybe when you reach here you can give 1 mark. So that's how you can give 4 marks to yourself for 3C. Let's move on to the next one, 4A. Again a very simple question, complementary angles. So let's work it out. I'm converting this into sine. So sine 90 minus 10. Step to be shown. This again cosec is 1 by sine. Likewise 2 times converting this to cos 90 minus 59 into sec, which will be 1 by cos 31. So I will get 3 times sine 10. Okay, here I messed up. Only one should be changed, either sine or the number. Okay, upon sine 10 plus 2 times cos 31 into 1 upon cos 31. This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. What I get is 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. Yeah. Marking scheme, first 1 mark when you change any one of this, next 1 mark when you change any one of this, and final 1 mark for getting this. 4B, again a good question, you got to solve this. So just take the LHS. You can either take the rationalizing factor of each of the ratio or directly cross multiply. I would prefer cross multiplying. 2 root 5 plus root 3 the whole square and 2 root 5 minus root 3 the whole square upon a square minus b square. This is going to be making it easy. So 2 square 4 into 5 20 plus 3 plus 4 root 15. Exactly same way, 20 plus 3 minus 4 root 15. 2 square 4 5s are 20 and 3. So I will get 20 plus 3, 23 plus 23, 46. This getting cancelled upon 17. Now RHS is basically a plus b root 15b. So a can be this, whereas b nothing is there, so you can write 0, and you can say therefore a is 46 by 17, and b, since there is nothing, it is 0. Don't leave it, you have to write it 0, otherwise you will lose 1 mark straight away. So first 1 mark when you either cross multiply or take the rationalizing factor, then 1 mark for getting a and 1 mark for getting b. That's how you can give 3 marks to yourself. Question 4C from circles. They say length of arc AB is double of BC. So that's the starting point. So for arc AB you can say angle AOB double of angle BOC. Okay, because angles and arcs are same. So AOB is 100 divided by 2 will become BOC, and therefore we get BOC as 50 degrees straight away. That's our first part of the question. Now they want OAC, that is here. So you can directly say AOC is 150, that is this full. And then you can say in triangle OAC, OA equals OC. These two are equal. So therefore OAC equals OCA equals X. So therefore X plus 150 is equal to 180. So you will get X as 15, 30, correct. And therefore what is X? X is OAC. So we got the value of OAC as 15 degrees. Simple. How to give marks? 4 mark. So first 1 mark when you are able to get this, get these angles from the arcs. Okay. From the arc, we are getting the angle first 1 mark. Next 1 mark for BOC as 50. Then the third 1 mark you can give when you get AOC as 150. And last one for this one at 15. So 4 mark. I hope you all have got section A 40 on 40. If you got it, I'm proud of you. Please write that in the comment section and I'll be really happy to know that. This is the next one where you have to find the value of BC. Rectilinear figures is what this question is from. So the best option is you construct this. Okay, so this will be 90 90 parallel, so this becomes a rectangle. So this is 17 7, this also will be 7. Full is 17, so this will be 10. Okay, and then AD is 25. I guess I have written BD over here. Just let me check the paper. What is the actual thing? Okay, they say PD is 25. Is it? Okay, so 25 7, I will get this. No. 1 second. This is AD is 25. My bad. So if AD is 25, this also will be 25. Apply Pythagoras, you will get BC. So you will say construct BM perpendicular to CD. Okay. So once you constructed this, you can say therefore in quadrilateral BMDA, we can say that MD is parallel to AB and angle A equals M equals 90. No need to give any further reason. Directly say therefore BMDA is a rectangle. Now that you got it as a rectangle, therefore AD is equal to BM is equal to 25 and AB equals to DM equals to 7. So finally, therefore, I will get CM equals to 17 minus 7, which is 10. And now jump into the triangle BMC, apply Pythagoras theorem for angle M 90 degree. So therefore, BM square plus CM is equal to BC by Pythagoras theorem. So BM is 25, CM is 10, and we are trying to find BC. So 625 plus 100 equals to BC. 1 second. My bad. BD only is 25. I have overread this. It's not this. Okay. So we'll have to apply Pythagoras and get BM first, and then again apply Pythagoras and get BC. That's the way we have to go about. I'm so sorry that I taught you this wrong. So once you get this 25 and 7, this is wrong. Okay. So we'll first take this triangle. So in triangle BMD, okay, I will say 25 square is equal to 7 square plus BM square. So I will get 625 minus 49 as BM. So that gives me 576 under the root as BM square. No, not square, BM. And therefore I can say BM is 24 centimeters. So we get this as 24. Now take this 24 and put it here. So it will become 576 plus 100. So therefore BC will be 676 under the root, which is 24. My bad, sorry, 26. My bad again. Something is wrong. I need to focus. I am sorry. Finally, that's what your answer should be. That's 26. So how do you go about? Let's not complicate ourselves. This is 25, this is 7, this is 7. So you take this triangle, get this 24, take this triangle 24 and 10, get this BC as 26. So 3 mark question. First 1 mark when you get CM, when you get BM, and last 1 mark when you get BC. 5B is the next one. 5B also you'll have to focus. Now we are into section B. Slightly difficult it will be, and therefore you'll have to focus more. P is lying on x-axis, so let it be x comma 0. The ratio is 2:1. Okay, so AP upon BP is 2/1. So I can say AP is equal to 2 times of BP. So AP square will be 2 times of BP square. So that means AP square will be 4 BP square. Why are we squaring? So that when you apply the formula, the root disappears. So now for AP, P is x comma 0. Applying distance formula, x minus 2 the whole square and 3 minus 0 the whole square under the root the whole square. Likewise 4 times BP, So x minus 3 by 2 the whole square and 0 plus 1 the whole square under the root the whole square. So square and root is gone. X square plus 4 minus 4x plus 9. 4 times x square plus 9 by 4, and this 2 will get cancelled when I multiply 2ab. So 2 goes and I get minus 3x plus 1 in the bracket so that it can be multiplied with 4. So x square minus 4x plus 13. Opening it, I will get 4x square. 4 gets cancelled, so 9. 4 3s are 12 plus 4. So finally 4x square minus 1, so 3x square. 12 minus 4, so 8. 9 plus 4 13 minus 13, so 0. I can pull out x common, so 3x minus 8 equals to 0. So therefore one answer will be x is equal to 0 and second answer will be 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. So my final answer x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 8 by 3. Two answers you'll have to give them. If you've given only the second one and x is equal to 0 is not given, you will lose 1 mark. Remember that. So first 1 mark when you substitute everything correctly. Next 1 mark for getting x as 0 and last 1 mark for getting x as 8 by 3. Tough question, so you need to practice it. Remember that, okay? Next one, 5C. 5C is not simple either. As I told you, section B has started, so you really need to focus, okay? From here, how will you reach here? So you start from x plus 1 by x square, the whole square. So that will be a square, b square, 2 times a into b. So this will get cancelled straight away. This is what we want. So x square plus 1 by x square the whole square. This is what you have as 194 plus 2. So that is 196. So square root. So x square plus 1 by x square 14. You can also write as plus or minus 14. So whatever your school teacher has taught, you will write that. The next one, x plus 1. So again x plus 1 by x the whole square. So a square, b square, 2 times a into b. So this will get cancelled. This is what we want, so not touching it. This is what I already have as 14 plus 2, so 16. So final answer again square root. You can write plus or minus 4 or only 4 depending what your teacher has taught. Finally the cubes. So x plus 1 by x the whole cube, 4 cube. So I will get a cube, b cube, 3 times a into b, a plus b. On this side it will be 64. This getting cancelled. How do I go about it now further? So this is what I want, so I keep it as it is. Plus 3 times x plus 1 upon x is 4, I know that, equals to 64. So x cube 1 by x cube, 12 goes on the other side, so minus, and it should be 52. Simple. Important sum again from exam point of view. First 1 mark when you reach here, next 1 mark. Here you can give 1 additional mark because you need to know the formula, and final 1 mark for 52. That's how you can give marks. 50 on 50, are you there? Brilliant. Not copying and honest, okay? 6a. The easiest option here is let 1 by x plus y be a and 1 by x minus y be b. So this will be 3a plus 2b equals 3 and this will be 2a plus 3b equals 11 by 3. So we got two equations. How to equate them? So I can multiply this by 2 and multiply this by 3. So 3 2s are 6 plus 4 equals to 6. Here I will get 6a, 9b, 3 cancels, so 11. Changing their signs, this goes minus 5b equals to minus 5. So b becomes 1. Pushing b over here as 1 to get the value of a. So a becomes 1 by 3. Now resubstituting. So we know 1 upon x plus y equals to a. So 1 upon x plus y, 1/3. So therefore x plus y is 3. Likewise 1 upon x minus y is b, which is 1. So x minus y is 1. Now taking these two equations, so x plus y 3, x minus y is 1, cancel, so 2x 4, x becomes 2. Substitute this over here, so 2 minus y is 1, so y becomes 1. Final answer, therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, and we get our final answer. Let me just check to be sure. This is 6A, 2 and 1 is correct. How will you give marks over here? So first 1 mark when you get the value of B. Next 1 mark you can give when you get this first equation, and last 1 mark for getting both the answers correct. Not one, but both the answers correct. Moving to 6B, not a tough question, just looks difficult, okay? So 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5. 2 square into minus 1 by 2. 2 cube into 1/3 upon 2 raised to minus 2 divided by, this I can take 4 cube negative 1 by 3. Purposely I took cube 4 cube so that I can cancel this over here. This cancels, this cancels, this cancels. So I get 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to 1 upon 2 raised to minus 2 divided by 4. So 4 I can write 2 raised to 2. Okay. Moving further, this can get cancelled because both are opposite, minus 1 plus 1. So I get 2 square. Denominator 2 raised to minus 2 minus 2. Clear? See, minus from here. Okay, I missed this minus sign. So this should have been minus. So I will get over here this division as minus and this as minus 2 in brackets. So basically 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 is going to give you 0. So basically 2 raised to 2 upon 2 raised to 0. So 2 raised to 0, anything raised to 0 is 1. So 2 square will become 4. Good question. Again, you should be able to focus on such sums. First 1 mark when you convert 1 and 2 correctly. Next 1 mark when you convert the denominator correctly. And last 1 mark when you reach at the value as 4. Moving to the last question, 6C, they say find the area of unshaded portion. So this is all shaded over here. The radius is 3. So the diameter becomes 6, 6 and this is 3. So the total length will be 6 plus 6, 12 plus 3, 15. Whereas the breadth, so 3 plus 3, so the breadth will become 6. So we got the length and the breadth. So first only let's say length of a rectangle is going to be 6 plus 6 plus 3, that is 15 centimeters, and breadth will be 2 times the radius, so 2 times of 3, that is 6. Now area of unshaded portion, not shaded, they want unshaded. So unshaded is here outside, so you will say area of rectangle minus area of circle 1 and 2, so into 2, minus area of semicircle, that is this one. Okay, so area of rectangle length into breadth minus area of the circle, so pi r square, into 2, so therefore 2 pi r square, minus pi r square divided by 2. Remember that, divided by 2. Okay, so this will be 90 minus, I am taking the LCM here, so 4 minus 4 minus 1, no, let me put this in bracket so our life is easy. So 4 minus 1 will give us 3 pi r square. One second, am I messing up? Yeah, I am messing up. So let me not put a bracket here, rather 2 2s are 4, so I will get 4 pi r square minus pi r square upon 2, so that will be 4 minus 1, 5, minus 4 minus 1, is it? Wait a minute, let me think carefully. So this minus this, okay, so when I put a bracket here, alright, this minus will be pulled out. Okay, so this will become plus. That's what you need to be careful. That's why I took some time to understand. So this minus is out over here. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 pi r square by 2. Now this is correct. So 5 into pi is given 3.14. R is 3 into 3 by 2. So 2 1s are 1.57. So 90 minus. 3 3s are 9, 5s are 45. So 157 into 45. 35, 28, 7, 28, 22, 6. So 5, 16, 10, 7. So 70.65 is what I have got. So it should be 19.35 centimeter square. Again, very important from area and perimeter. So first 1 mark when you get your length and breadth correct. Next 1 mark when you substitute the values and correct formula. The third mark you can get when you get this correct, and last 1 mark when you get this correct. That's how you can give 4 marks to yourself. So I hope with this first segment up to sum number 6 you got a 60 on 60. From sum number 7 onwards I'll be doing it in the next video. You are supposed to do first 4 compulsory questions and from 5 to 11 any 4. I will be solving everything because I don't know which 4 you have solved. Okay, so till the next video when I do the second part, stay tuned and wait for it. Number 1. Number 2 is I also want you to go to the link down in the description of the paper, write the paper first. Also the link of the WhatsApp catalog because I'm starting curriculum plan along with test series along with doubt solving sessions for the next year standard 10 as well as 9. So if you want to join, go through it. Any doubts, get in touch with me and I will see you next year. Until the next part of this video, stay safe, take care, pray for everyone and be honest. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do write your math experience in the comment section. Thank you.